Hey everyone! Welcome back to Over Channel today. I'm excited to show you how you can turn your PowerPoint presentations into videos. Let's start. Step 1. Opening PowerPoint. First of all, let's begin by opening your PowerPoint on our desktop. Here, I have my PowerPoint presentation ready. If you have an older version of PowerPoint, don't worry. You should still be able to follow along, but there might be some slight differences in the interface. Step 2. How to record. Click on the Slideshow tab in the top menu. Select Start Recording from Beginning from the drop-down menu and click on OK. Alright, let's give it a try. Now I am recording. Step 3. Exporting. To export the video, click on the File tab in the top left corner. Choose Export from the menu, and then select Create a Video. You can choose the video quality, such as Ultra HD, 4K, or 1080p. Let's go with 1080p for the best quality. Click on Create Video and choose a location to save the video. I'll save it on my desktop. Depending on the length and content of your presentation, the rendering process may take a time. Fantastic! The video has been successfully rendered. Now let's play it to make sure everything looks great. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now a fully functional video ready to be uploaded. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. This video is more useful. Polls, giving a thumbs up and subscribe to Over Channel or hit the bell icon for more useful latest videos. Thanks for watching.